Alright, so today it is day 23 here on Adna Cyber, TryHackMe, and I am done with the challenge. I want to talk about how you solve it and how you escape the common small pitfalls that are in this task. So the thing is, you need to do the steps right here. You need to generate the stealthy file with the NT element theft. So you make the server try and talk to you. And when you've done that, you will get the ELF HQ server administrator handshake. And this is the one you need to copy paste and put into a file called, for example, hash.txt. Just follow the guide, right, basically. And then you're going to go ahead and run this John command, and you will get the username, the password for username administrator. The password is greedymacgrabber1. Then what you could do from now on here is afterwards you can run Remina. Remina is a wonderful tool. This is the thing you need to cancel on, and this is where you're gonna need to put in the IP address of the server. So scroll all the way up, put it in, and say yeah, I want to authenticate. And what you're gonna do now is basically just go ahead and say I'm authenticating as administrator, and I want to use the password that I just got. I think I got it right there, didn't I? No, I did not. Let me just see if I can copy paste a bit better. Copy paste. Alright, so now that we're connecting to the machine, then the only thing we need to do now is to verify that we have access to the desktop. This is RDP. So desktop, get the flag. And there we go, copy paste that out. And that's really what this machine is all about. So going back a step, this is a atypical attack where you make the Windows server give you some information about who's connecting and stuff. And because the hash we get is of poor choice, a bad password, we can go ahead and crack it. Now, of course, there is a thing you need to verify that is on the server we connect to right here, the SMB server, right? Let me just close this down now because we're basically done with it. Let me just clear the screen, connect to the SMB server. There's a file called greedykeys.txt that we need to, well, basically copy paste down. And I did that right here, so go to the greedy keys, paste it out, and what you see here is actually a list of common passwords. And the one a bit atypical, I'm pretty sure this password is not anywhere in any of the password files we have. But this is just an example that, you know, sometimes you can crack the password, and if it's the case that the administrator have a bad password, you can definitely go ahead and crack it using John, for example, or Hashcat, something like that, just a hash cracking tool. This type of attack let us either attack the hash, in this particular case, that it talks about right here, which is the challenge, or if the software security configuration is insufficient, we could attempt to relay the challenge order to impersonate the authenticating account. In this particular case, it was a bad account, the authentication was weak, so we can just crack the corresponding challenge and basically get access. Now we have access to the server. So that's really what this is all about, and the answers you are all seeking for, something you can find in the text. The first three, and the fourth answer is the crack of the password, as we talked about just before. Maybe it's a big scroll, there we go. When you crack it, and then basically log into the machine, get the flag, you're done. So day 23, easy task. It's a red team, it's a cracking attack machine. It is all about coerced authentication on a Windows machine. Alright, so see you again tomorrow on the 24th challenge day.